May free ano pa tayo. Hello! Bless you! Bless you! Bless you! Epo.
Welcome to Khalid!
Way. Ilan ang way, Han? Ha?
1890.
Oh. Next. Yung isa. Pasok. Pasok.
2010.
Oh, mas ano. Pasok. Okay na siguro. Check in. See you later.
À destination de Vancouver, tous les passagers doivent déjà être embarqués à la porte 10.
Wow! Good job. Gusto lang free na coloring book ito nagbibigay. Ayan na.
Okay, have your attention please. Porter Airlines Flight 292, service to Ottawa, invites all confirmed passengers to head down
Sabi niya doon sa nagbigay ayaw daw niya. Yung pala gusto niya.
Passengers to head down to gate number 9. Thank you.
Matulog na. Board. Meron ng ano din dito, parlor. Ayan. Wala pa. 3 hours pa.
Boarding na kami. Maya. Boarding.
No.
An.
We are now ready for guests sitting in Zone 4. Please form one single line where it says Zone 4 and keep your boarding passes and IDs ready.
Maya. Boarding. Excited. Wala kayo nakalimutan, Han? Parang biglang lumamig. Ang lamig. Yeah, it's turning cold. Lamig. Ha? Oh, be careful. Wait. Oopsie.
I have your coffee ready here for you guys.
Open. Walang TV dito, anak. Kasi ano lang tayo. 2-hour flight lang tayo. Open na. Ayate.
Welcome on board. We kindly ask you to please keep the aisle clear and carry on baggage
Ayate.
in front of you.
Happy? Happy, Maya?
For your onboard
Happy?
internet connection.
You're not scared.
I thought you're not scared. Huh?
Sit up,
Yes, you're happy?
Sad.
Huh?
Sad.
Sad?
Sad.
Huh?
Sad.
Sad? Why you're sad?
Because we left our house.
Oh, it's just for a month. Only naman.
Like 200 miles.
Oh, are you scared? No? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You're scared? No? Sure.
To a network. Any guests that need a cruise assistance leaving the aircraft today are asked to remain seated until all other guests have deplaned, and at which time we are better able to assist. If you have any questions about connecting flights or baggage, please speak to that smiling WestJet agent inside the terminal who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of this crew and everyone at WestJet, thank you for flying with us today, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon.
Touchdown, Vancouver. Maya, come here. Maya. We're going here. $10:45. Gate 67. Escalator. Here.
We're going down this?
Dito. Punta tayo sa D's. Mickey Mouse. Uy, saan kayo pupunta? Bye, guys! May iwan na kayo ng flight nyo. Bilisan nyo. May iwan na kayo ng flight. Ito. Maya, no? Oh, ano nangyari sa kanya? Atras.
She can't swim up. She can't swim up.
Ano ba yan?
Oh.
kakain yan. 7:30 na.
I want to check your right.
Delay tayo ng isang oras.
I'm on a treadmill.
Connecting lang naman tayo.
Mal boarding. Hello. Magandang gabi. Thank you.
Buhay! Nice to see you, partner. Sir, sa kabila kayong island.
We're here. 59. Oh, ilagay mo lang dito sa baba yan. Dito. Dito ka. Dito ka.
I have headphones.
Sit down na, anak. Coloring kids. Let me see your coloring kids.
I'm not eating this, okay?
Why?
I'm not eating that.
That works too.
But, that tastes so good, Mommy. I tasted this before.
Yeah.
I'm not eating that.
What's this? That's
This is
a bread
bread.
and butter.
This is cake, and this is, I don't know.
Cup yan para sa chocolate.
Ah,
Oh, ito ha.
where's my, what is this thing?
Kami sa cockpit.
Alright. So guys, wait lang. Ate, if you wanna fly the plane, left hand should be here. Right hand should be here. Oh, yan.
Wow!
Parang feel na feel. Okay, taas ang kita. Siyempre, hindi yan kompleto kapag lakad.
Look at here, ate. Naman. Late yung video natin. Pa-picture. Bye-bye. Yan yung plane na sinakyan namin. May free ano pa tayo.
Oh, look at that car. Look at that.
Good spider. You don't want?
Mommy, what is Lano?
Ha?
What is Lano like? Respecting you.
Respecting your elders. Pag ano kayo sa lahat makita nyo, kay tita, kay lola, kay lolo. Ha? Mano po. New arrival now open. Han! Tita Abby, bless. Ayun na Tita Abby. Bless ka, bless. Oh, bless. Pinagpalit ko na nga ng damit. Oh, grabe naman kayo. Delayed kami, delayed.
Babang ka.
Ay, nag-bless ba kay tita, kay tito? Bless, bless, bless.
Welcome to Philippines.
Kailangan. Ay.
Ano ka rin kayo?
Ang init. At pala nagpalit na ako ng damit. Pagod eh. Hello po. Oh, bless kayo kay Lola tsaka kay Lolo. Say kayo kay Kuya tsaka kay Ate. Hello. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Epo. Diyan po siya. Sumunod na. Eh, na-delay po. Opo. Delay po kami ng Vancouver. Delay din po kami papabalik. Andun.
No?
Ayan na. Kaway kayo. Pag-alala mo, kaway ha. Lolo-kawain natin. Sabi mo, Tito Pals! Sige. Tito Pals! Kaway kayo, kaway! Tito Pals! Say, why, Tito Pals? Ay, nandiyan ka na pala! Maya, come on.
Amin ka lang ako. Ay, maako ha? There.
Kaya ka ba? Nagpipigil.
Mommy, my name's Lola. No!
Yeah, we would call.
Why?
Sakay na ka, ano?
Dito kami. Sila yata doon. Over the back. Dito kami. Paano ba?
Mama, lalari ka ba?
No. Don't sit there.
Ano?
Huwag kang upo dyan. First stop, Jollibee.
Tama, mahinig ka dapat.
Pia. Good. Jolly hot dog.
Gabi?
Naubos na niya.
Those are corn.
Yeah, those are the corn. Corn, ano, mga plant.
I went to a cornfield before.
Maitapon siya.
Oh, di ba?
Wait, what?
Okay,
I
no?
actually did. Yes.
Ayun na, Ate, o kulati nga. Dali.
Ayan yung kaya ano sa lolo mo. Oh.
Where? I
Yan, that
so
one.
much.
Ano, welcome. Barangay.
Ate, we're just getting
Hindi kumain. Barangay muntik na mabasa.
Asan ba?
Barangay. Ayan, o.
Buratay, kulati, ngan. We're here!
Yeah, I don't see his house.
Ay, anak. Ayun siguro yung may red na bubong. Yun yung
This
malaking
is house.
bahay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Ay, hindi pa yun.
Sa may school.
What color is
Tabi
his
ng
roof?
school.
Yellow? Ay, white? Black?
Nasa looban pa.
Red?
Hindi kita.
Black? Yellow? Silver? Gold? Red. Rainbow?
Rembo.
Rambo.
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 Di ba no?
That one, that one, that one? No. That one? No! I don't see
Di ba
3-floor
pwede sa
house.
Hindi.
Yun nga, hindi ko na
pwede
alam.
doon sa ano, sa court.
Hindi na yan. Baka yun sa may kotse na red.
Asa na?
Ayan,
Ayun,
yun. Yan, may coaching red.
Tayo sa likod ng coaching pula. Teka.
Baka, pwede. Ay, yan yung, ano, yan na yung malaking bahay. Sa likod niyan, sa bahay ng Nathan.
Behind?
Baka pwede yung sa ano, sa harap ng coaching red.
Ano yata ng ano, daan yata.
We're here na.
Hindi.
Where is it?
Ito, yun dyan, dadaan tayo dito, yan. Diyan, yan, sa loob. Dito, yan, sa loob. Doon, ayun, bahay niya ni daddy mo, ayun, no. Yun. Oh, say hi. Ano yung aso, oh?
Papa, if you want
Ay, eto na ba? Dumiko, anak ng tipaklong, naligaw ako. Naligaw ako bigla.
we're here, guys.
Where?
Here. Eto na. The princess.
We're finally here. Ah, it's so hot.
Oh, bless na kay Lola. Bless na kay Lola. Oh, bless.